ChuChe TV.
Hello friends. My name is Timmy.
And I am Tina. Let's start learning ABC.
A is for apple.
B is for ball.
C is for cat.
D is for dog.
E is for elephant.
F is for fish.
G is for giraffe.
H is for hat.
I is for ice cream.
J is for jelly.
K is for kite.
L is for lion.
M is for moon.
N is for nest.
O is for orange.
P is for panda.
Q is for queen.
R is for rainbow.
S is for sun.
T is for turtle.
U is for umbrella.
V is for violin.
W is for whale.
X is for xylophone.
Y is for yo-yo.
Z is for zebra.
Thanks for watching ChuChe TV.
Please like and subscribe for more upcoming videos.